If you walk away, how to say it?
I'm a strong believer in the separation without creating an enemy. To give the reason why I'm walking away, and this is not personally against you, it's meeting part of what my own need or expectation is. But too many people handle separation out of anger or see it as a failure. Walking away should not be seen as a failure. It should be seen as we have reached a certain point where we can no longer find concessions that match a common goal.
That's really interesting. Because most people believe if I walk away, it's a failure, but it isn't.
No,
it's a decision.
No.
It's a decision, right?
It's a decision. It's a choice.
Yeah.
And strategy is always a choice. And that's the whole idea of choice behind negotiation. It's not a negotiation if you have to reach a deal and you make a bad compromise.
Yeah.
And I'm sure you have seen also people who make compromises that they later regret.
Yeah, almost always. Yeah.